Won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let him check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Flip it, pop it, twerk it, stop it, check on me tonight. Ooh, boy, you looking like...
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leah. You guys that I know already. Welcome back to another video. Okay, so you guys, so by the title you see that this is me doing my own silk press. This is how it came out, okay? Ooh, I forgot I had on lip gloss. But yes, it came out so good. I was so nervous about washing my hair after my first initial silk press. I was so nervous about washing my hair because I was just afraid that I wasn't gonna get it back straight and like, you know, bouncy. But I achieved it. I will say that my roots aren't as like flat because I did not use a hot comb, but for the most part my hair is doing what it needs to do. Like, I don't mind the fullness of it. I have a couple disclaimers though. My chair is squeaky, my nails are breaking, okay? It's the new year. I'm falling apart already, but I'm just being broke down so I can get built back up, okay? Because my birthday is not next week, but the week after that. My birthday's on the 16th, so you know, all the appointments is coming. Even I have a hair appointment coming too, and that was really why I wanted to film this video and really try to do it, because my hair appointment is the week after next, and I'm like, I was trying to figure out what am I gonna do with my hair. My silk press is old as hell. I'm starting to wear a bun. Like, what am I gonna do? And I was like, you know what, Leah? Believe in yourself. Believe that you can do it, okay? Believe that you can do it, and I did it. So I was gonna book me a whole nother appointment just to get my hair washed and silk pressed, but bitch, I be in the house, okay? I work from home, and I don't like looking ugly at home, don't get me wrong, but to book a whole appointment when I have another appointment coming up that's washed just didn't make sense. And you know, we're gonna save money where we can, so that is why I decided to film me doing my silk press. So I hope you guys enjoy. I have not done a beauty video in a while, but it's 2024, so let's go ahead and bring back some of the beauty content. If you guys like these type of videos, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know if you want to see more of these from me, because I will gladly make them. It's like, I dread doing beauty videos because the editing is a lot, but when I'm filming them, it brings me so much joy out, so I'm probably gonna do them anyways. But if you like beauty videos, please let me know, so I know that I'm not just doing it for me, I'm doing it for y'all. You feel me? You feel me? So yeah, if you want to see what I used and my little process that I went through, go ahead and keep on watching. And thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. I love you guys. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It helps me out a lot. If you're not new or you're here, don't forget to like it. Okay, we're gonna like the videos this year, guys. We're not just gonna watch, we're gonna engage, okay? But yeah, enough of my talking. Let's go ahead and just get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm out of the shower, feeling so good, so fresh, so clean. Oh my god, y'all, I use the freaking Native body wash, and I've used Native body washes before, don't get me wrong, but I was on like a Dove kick for like a long time, and then Native, they was having a sale at Walmart, so I got me a Native one this time. Oh my god, it smells so good. I feel so soft, like But we're not here for a shower routine, so let's move on to the hair. So hair is freshly washed, just shampooed and conditioned. I'll give you guys a close-up on my hair, and maybe y'all could tell me what I am. But this is my hair wet. So I'm gonna use a leave-in conditioner. I really like this Way leave-in conditioner. I got this in my birthday gift from Sephora, and I have loved it ever since. It makes my hair so soft. Don't get on my forehead, please. It makes my hair so soft, and I just really love what it does. But my hair, I didn't even detangle it, but I can run my fingers through it, and it's not like overly nappy or anything like that. So I feel like that's a good sign. Put some in the middle because it's my thickest part. I be trying not to go OD on this, because I think one time I did, and I was like, ooh, I probably put too much of that leave-in conditioner. But ooh, Lord knows I love it. Okay, I went to Marshall's, and I ended up getting me a new blow dryer because my one that I had broke. New year, new me. And I ended up getting the blow dryer brush. This is from Golden Hot. They be selling this brand in the beauty supply store. So usually when I blow dry my hair, I have just a standard blow dryer, and I buy a comb to attach. But I was like, let me try this. My best friend used it, and she said it's like a white girl blow dryer, but she said it still got done what she needed to get done. So we're gonna see. So I'm gonna section my hair off. I'm so happy that I cut my hair. Like, I love the cut. Like, I want to keep cutting it. I want to keep going to go get treatments and things like that. I just didn't want to go to pay for that because I have a hair appointment coming up literally in like a week. So would it have been worth it? Yes, but I mean, I still need to make sure that I know how to do these things on my own if I ever just need to get myself together and, you know, they don't have an appointment or whatever could be the case. I want to see if I could do it on my own and still get it nice and straight and, you know, looking good. So I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair. I'm going to let you guys watch the process, and then we'll come back when it's time to flat iron. So yeah, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about this blow dryer as well.
Move too fast, live too fast, ain't no such thing as too fast. People say I drive too fast, move too fast, live too fast, ain't no such thing as too fast. Living at the speed of light, like a bullet. I could be there by the morning. I can't call it, so I ain't got no time. Wait up and down and out for too long.
I gotta take a break because if it gets too hot in here, I'm gonna start sweating, and I sweat in my head, so all the work I'm doing is gonna reverse. So yeah, but just wanted to give you guys a little update of what it's looking like. I guess this part is a little wet still because it's sticking. Y'all see that? But the rest is really movable. This is what my roots is looking like right now. Yeah, but I like the brush. Definitely was a good $24 spent. I got it on sale because the box was broken. So $24. Definitely like it. I fuck with this. I like that brush a lot. So yeah, like I said, it's nice. It's a little bouncy. So I'm sure when I put the flat iron to it, it'll be even bouncier. The middle part of my head is the thickest, so I definitely got to come back and keep running it through, because as you see, it's not as like straight back here because it's my thickest part. But right here, this is falling nice, and the sides is nice and bouncy, falling nice and bouncy. But this back, the back is not heat trained. Like this is like, of course, since I get like sew-ins and quick weaves, I have like, you know, edges out sometimes to flat iron them, top, you know, of course. But the back has been braided up ever since I started wearing weave, which was like the 9th grade. So ninth grade for sure. Yeah, since the 9th grade. So yeah, girl. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a little update. I'm gonna take a little break just to cool off, and then we'll come back and we'll finish blow drying. Okay guys, so here how my hair look. This is just freshly blow dried. It's so bouncy. I love the brush. A 10 out of 10. Y'all, I'm so happy I remember I had this. This is really golden. Like, I'm gonna make sure I get the big bottle, because this, yeah, if you do silk presses at home or whatever, or you just want a good leave-in conditioner, this way leave-in conditioner is that bitch, for real.
Hey, Homer hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother named his ting $1. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Cherie, où est mon bec? They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get. Hey. You know how sticky it get, hey. You know how sticky it get, hey. You know how sticky it get, hey. She want me to play with that cat, hey. She love how I make it all wet, hey. You know how sticky it get, hey. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid, and free big slime out the cage, and Shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed, cause every song that I made is ringing like I got engaged. I love my guys, I wouldn't trade, ay. From the cradle to the grave, ay. Gordo got me on a wave, ay. And got me on a wave, ay. Couple hits, now you brave, wait. You niggas better behave, what? All that pumping up your chest, what? All that talk about the best, what? You know how sticky it gets. If I'm with 2 of them, then it's a threesome. If she alone, you know she a freak one. If it's an escort, it's a police one.
Okay, guys, so flat iron is all complete, y'all. I love the way it looks. It's so bouncy. It's full because it's like I'm not really getting into it like, you know, like a stylist would. I kind of want to go over this part a little bit more. What I wish I had was a wax stick too for the top. But here's the back. I love it. I'm sorry, y'all. This chair is crazy. But here's the back. It has all the movements. Yes. So since I don't have a wax stick, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of edge control. And I'm going to put it on my fingers, rub my hands together, and then just go within the part and just kind of lay it like that. This is like my impromptu wax stick. Okay, boom. To just kind of lay that flat. But I'm just so happy that I did it and that it came out cute and it's not still and everything. I love it. So yeah. Hey, period. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. If you want more hair videos and stuff from me, let me know. I haven't done beauty videos in a minute. This used to be my tea. Beauty videos used to be my thing back in the day, but I started moving into vlogs. But let me know if y'all want to see more like beauty content from me. I love filming beauty. I don't know why I go away from it, because I love filming beauty content. It'd be a lot to edit. That's probably why, because it'd be a lot to edit, but it's worth it. It's so much fun to film, to just get pretty on camera. But yeah, I feel so good and refreshed. I'm so happy I did this. Like, yes, I love it. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I will see you guys in my next video.